Good morning, everybody. Welcome to, I think today's Friday. I want to see what's going on. If we're looking at pre-market, you can see that pre-market is about to open down here at around 447, and it did. So we're looking down here. Let's go to the minute. I think I'm finna jump in the put real quick, depending on what this next candle does. Cause it's weird. SPY is 447, but SPX is like 4489 or 449 when you round up. That's kind of weird. That's really, see, SPX is right here in the middle, and SPX is way below structure. That is weird. I'ma pull it. That's weird. That's really weird. That's really kind of weird. Okay, now SPY's at 446 and SPX is 448. That is weird, man. Like, see, SPX is right there. SPY is under here. Like, I have never seen that happen before. Anyways, I'm gonna put, for some reason it still hasn't sold yet. I only went for 10%, so I'm gonna just keep waiting, I guess. We could look at these. If you can see, yesterday we did these two bear calls, and we said price won't go above 4515 and price won't go above 4510 for this one. Price is way down here. We can cash out on these, because if not, you can hold them for the rest of the day. That's fine. But if you can see here, this was the re-entry. If you wanted to head back in on a down leg, that was your zone, and now we headed back down. I want to look at this spread, what the numbers did. So this will be a vertical. This one is a 4510. Where's 4510 call? This one is 4515 and 4525.